Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Shermina. So before we start our video, I would really love you guys to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more update to come. So hi guys! I'm back. So for today's vlog, may chika ako sa inyo, kaya ako nandito. Because it's been a while since my last chika. Kasi ang last vlog ko, it's about New Year, bruh. And this day, I want to share something to you guys. Convo namin ni Mama earlier, ganun. So, earlier, my mom and I were talking kasi nag-video call kami ni Mama. And then, sabi ko sa kanya, maalam ko na ang 18th birthday gift mo sa akin kasi ayaw ko mag-debut. Ayaw ko mag-debut for real. Sabi niya sa akin, ano yon? Sabi ko, magpayag ka, dyan ako sa'yo magtira sa Russia. Dyan ako mag-aral. Sabi niya, no na. No. Sabi niya, bakit ma? Sabi ko, no na. Sabi niya, no. Mahal daw ang ano. Kung kaya mo man yan, ma. Pero sabi niya, it will cost 100k plus. Sabi ko, worth it naman ang 100k kasi hindi naman ako mag-uwi kagad ng Pilipinas. Sabi ko sa kanya. May ano nak, 100k pang pagawa na lang natin ulit ng bagong bahayan. Another house. So yun. Sabi niya sa akin, ganito deal na lang, ganito deal. Kasi ayaw ko diba mag-18th birthday. Sabi niya, ganito na lang, deal natin. Sabi niya sa akin, it's either mag-shopping daw ako dito or mag-travel ako somewhere here in the Philippines. Tapos magstay ako doon within 1 week. So sabi ko, saan? Sabi niya, magbagyo ka, magmanila ka, magpagansinan, mag-uwi ka ng pagansinan or something. Ikaw bahala. Ako lang mag-isa, sabi ko sa kanya. Oo, malamang ako lang mag-isa kasi birthday ko, bra. Ako lang mag-isa dapat. Ayun, sabi niya, sige, mag-wait ako until December. Kasi kapag December kasi, guys, mag-ano na yan siya, mag-plan, like, mag-ano na siya ng money for me niyan. So, pag-isipan ko din, it's either mag-travel or mag-shopping, which is, I love shopping, but I love traveling kasi laagan tayo. And that's my gift for myself because I graduated senior high. Kasi May ang graduation namin next year. And June ang birthday ko. Which is, yeah, double celebration. No, pwede din yun. Oo, hindi na ako mag-celebrate ang graduation ko. Which is, sa birthday ko na lang. Sabihan ko na lang si mama. In the name of the Lord, you should read Bible right now. Yun guys, yun lang chika ko. Kaya ako siya chinika. And then, I was so stressed in the past few weeks. Pero next week, hindi ako stressed kasi intrams. Last week, I was so stressed. This week, I was so stressed kasi Saturday pa man. This week, I was so stressed because dahil nga sa mga nangyayari para sa intrams. Tapos, madami nagre-reklamo kasi sa sound namin. We have this nag-amot kami per yung student ng 80 pesos. Kasi nga, para sa intrams, which is, we have 214 students. Pang morning pa lang yan 214 students sa UMS, Strand. Then, 80 pesos per students, yan. And it's 80 pesos, tapos 214 students is equals to 17k. 5k sa trainer sa cheer dance, 5k para sa props na cheer dance, 3.5 para sa snacks sa players, then 3.5 para sa hip-hop. It's all, like, na yan siya, which is 17k. And if kapag may naiwan na money, may try-meet kasi kami guys, which is yung school namin, ang Holy Child College of Davao, Mintal, Green Meadows, Mintal, Holy Child ng downtown, tapos Holy Child ng Buhangin, mag-meet sa isang campus, which is sa Buhangin. Yung naiwan na money sa strand namin, ilagay lahat doon para sa try-meet, which is lahat ng senior high student magpunta sa school na yon. Same school pa rin naman siya, pero ibang campus lang. Na-stress ako doon kasi akong ginatanong ko, I am the vice governor sa strand namin, right? Tapos, in-update nila ako, nalaman ko na lang na mayroon palang amot na 80 pesos nung Wednesday lang sa meeting namin. Tapos, hindi ko alam na meron pala. And I was so shocked. Why 80 pesos? Yun, na-stress ako kasi nung gabi din nun, nagreklamo lahat ng classmate ko sa akin. Tapos wala akong masabi. Ayun. Iniyakan ko na lang kay Lord. Lord, help me. I have no patience. Bayat naman may anger issue ang ante nyo. So, ayun. Nag-away pa kami ng isang classmate ko. Tapos ngayon, hindi ko pa siya ginapansin kasi nga, she getting onto my nerves, pre. Ayun. So, yeah. And update, I was working out lately and I'm on a diet. Fasting ako ngayon. And I was drinking water whole day. Na akong nagdinig. Last meal ko, di ako kumain last night. Nung lunch kahapon. I was still not eating right now actually. Pero I think magkain ako this time. Kasi this would be my last meal. Kasi Sunday bukas. And that would be the day na mag-whole fast ako. Which is one day walang kain. Except mag-drink ng water. I love water na guys. It would save me from hunger. And yeah, I was working out. Changing my hobbies lately. Choosing myself lately. So, I'm so proud of myself, and you should too, because it's 2024, and we're growing up, we're getting old, we're realizing that you should choose yourself, you should love yourself first, before others, you should praise God, keep up with God, praise God, talk to Him, if you have problems, if hindi mo siya malabas, just talk to Him. Iiyak mo lang yan sa kanya because he could help you with that pain. He will refresh your mind, you know. So, yeah. Choose God. Always. Be a Christ-like character. Be the Proverbs 31 woman, guys. I am not that woman yet, but magiging ganun ako. And I believe that God would help me being that woman. Maturing is realizing that you can keep up. Ayun. I miss my mom. Uuwi siya this year. And I miss her. Last time that I saw her, 2022, which is 2 years ago. So yeah, I miss her so much. I miss you, Mom. Kailan ka uuwi? Which is this year. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan, anong month. I miss you, Ma. Go home na. Kasi I want to take, gusto ko ulit patikman ng luto mo. Kasi, for the few months, namimiss ko ang luto ng mama ko. So, I hope na makita kita this year. Umuwi ka this year. Okay lang na hindi umuwi si RJ this year. Basta ikaw umuwi ka this year, Mama. And I'll pray for that. And you should too pray for your mom, bro. Kasi baka wala sa oras kunin siya ni Lord. Joke lang. I'm not threatening you guys. I am threatening you. I'm just here to remind you that God has always been here for you. God is always there for you, protecting you. So you should pray for your mom's protection. Is God is with you. Sorry kung madaming yung marinig dahil sa aso yan ha, dahil yan sa aso. So yeah. Reminder, Sunday bukas you should go to church. You should pray before ka maghawak ng cellphone, dapat Bible lang hawakan mo. And you should pray before going up. Before ka mag-alis ng higaan mo, you should pray. And yeah. Go to church tomorrow. It's your rest day. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I would really love you guys to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more update to come. So yeah. Bye guys. Happy weekend and see you in my next video. Bye bye.